Drawing, op art. Op art, a form of abstract art that gives the illusion of movement by the precise use of pattern and color, or in which conflicting patterns emerge and overlap. Alright guys, so today we are going to be working on some op art things. The materials that you're going to need are a ruler for this one, a marker. You could even use a pen or a pencil. But just to get started, I'll use a pen just so that you can see it as a finer line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off by making a point in the middle. This is going to be the point everything goes out from. So almost like when we did 1 point or 2 point perspective, this would be more so 1 point because we're all coming from 1 point. And then we are going to draw a line coming down, just like this. We'll draw another line coming across, like this. We'll draw another line coming out, another line coming out here. Then we'll draw a line kind of coming like this. Now notice the ruler doesn't extend all the way, so we'll have to kind of make it match. So once we make it match, I'm gonna bring this ruler back, continue the line. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing from here. Just like this. And then I'm gonna match the line up. Just like that. Okay, so now that we have our lines all coming out, all converging into that one spot right there, we are going to go ahead and alternate patterns, continuing. So for this one, I'm just gonna do a basic curve, starting here. So curve pattern coming up, just like this. And then I'm going to do the curve coming down like this. Then curve up, coming here. And then we interchange down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then down. We meet our points back to each other just like that. So now I have my first line for the op, right? I kind of want it to be smaller in this middle area because I want it to kind of fade. So I'm gonna just follow the same pattern. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. So that it looks like it's just kind of going further in. So right now, it almost looks like, if you look at one individually, it almost looks like a pencil. I don't know. So I'm going to now give myself a good starting point. We'll come here, and then we'll come here, just like this, and then we'll come out from there. now when we're going and we're coloring it black and white, we want to pay attention to the areas interchanging each spot. Just like that. So now